In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change site title in Squarespace. Your site title is a small change with a big impact. It's the text that often appears in your header, and it can also be referenced in your browser tab and search results depending on your SEO settings. It helps visitors know they're in the right place and reinforces your brand across your site. Once you're in your Squarespace editor and looking at any page of your site, move your cursor over the top area of your website. You'll see controls appear over the header. Click Edit Site Header. This opens the header settings panel so you can work directly on the part of your site where the title lives. If the option doesn't appear right away, pause for a moment over the header until the control shows up. You'll know you're in the right place when a sidebar panel slides in and your header highlights on the page. Inside that header panel, look for the small pencil icon. Click the pencil icon to edit. This icon is your shortcut to the fields that control the text content in your header, including the site title. Think of it as opening the label on your storefront. It's where you set exactly how your name appears. In some designs, if you've uploaded a logo, the text title might not be visibly shown in the header, but it still matters behind the scenes for accessibility and can be used by certain search and social previews. So even if you primarily use a logo, it's worth keeping the title accurate and clean. Now, in the field labeled Site Title, type your new title. As you type, watch the live preview update so you can see spacing, line breaks, and how it looks across your navigation. Aim for something concise and readable, usually a few words that match your brand name or the clearest version of it. Consider capitalization and punctuation, title case or sentence case. Both work, but be consistent with the rest of your branding. Avoid very long phrases or excessive symbols, since that can wrap to a second line or reduce legibility on smaller screens. If your template allows, you might also notice that the font and size are controlled by your site's design settings, so focus here on the wording itself. That's all there is to it. With Edit Site Header open, the pencil icon selected, and your new text in the site title field, your change will reflect across your site wherever the title is used. Take a final glance at the preview to make sure it looks balanced in the header. You can return to this panel anytime to refine the wording as your brand evolves.